Morning. That's a better job, isn't it? No picnic bench. Well, there's some over there, but I've made my own. Actually got a bit of blue sky today. It's early, yo. So we'll see what happens. Porridge, coffee. This is my new thing. Granola in with the porridge. So, I'm heading towards Christchurch in the direction of, not far away now, I think probably only 100 kilometres away. So it's a city, you know, it's a big city, so I dare say the riding mostly is going to be on roads now. I'm going to go and visit Andrew and Liz and family and then continue on, but yeah, might not be no startling scenery kicking around, but still just riding your bike, isn't it? I'll try my best to keep you entertained and myself. I fixed my air mattress. Yeah, I fixed my air. I slept on something concrete the other day and I think it just put a little cut in it. So I got a little patch on it. Happy days, because nothing worse. In Slovakia I slept on a mattress that went down for 10 days. Every night it went down. Shit, really shit. Yeah, mattress is on, just packing up camp. I'm gonna head off. Yeah, head off. Check out my table, I've spread out now. Just so you don't think I'm an absolute blithering idiot. Sunglasses. I bought a nice set of sunglasses. This is the Lonely Riders Cult. Must be a brand over here, it's pretty good. And they come in this little box, and the box has got attachments to strap on, and it's got like a little magnet thing there. So it's you know, that's pretty good. And my nice new sunglasses were in there. But then all that bouncing around. Dunk, sunglasses, see you later, alligator. Not even freaking wore them, because it hasn't been sunny yet, bastards. I usually film with my phone. This is my GoPro. It's on at the moment, but it's running out of battery and I can't plug it in because it's saying that there's some moisture in there, so let's hope that dries out. We'll see this gorgeous place where I am now, just come up a pretty big hill. Not many people about, but here's somebody. So yeah, let's hope my phone comes back online, but at least I can film with this for now and add it in later. The book says this is a blimmin' good dipper. I guess that means we're going to go downhill fast. Well, I've been on quite a dull bit for about the last 30 kilometres, but it's just picked up into some beautiful bit of scenery now. I'm an hour and a half away from Amberley. I think that's what it's called. Anyway, all going well. Beautiful round here, and it's stopped raining. And I'm going downhill. Happy days. There's something nice about getting back on the road after being on the gravel for 20-30k. Yes, there is, and I'm no roadie. I've just been flagged down by somebody on the road that's been messaging me. This is Gazza.
G'day.
Hello Gazza.
How are you?
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, likewise.
Ah, nice one, fella.
Oh, that's fast.
These guys they're in a camp here. Hi, Julie.
Hi.
Nice to meet you. And Daz has been, he watched my TA ride, and he hasn't actually watched this one yet, but he wants to do the Sound of Sound, so he's going to watch him. But he's been messaging me saying where I'm at, and he's around and about close. So yeah, he's come to say hi.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah.
How cool is that?
Likewise. Take care.
Nice to meet you. Come on, mate.
Cheers. Nice to meet you.
Well, that was cool, wasn't it? Dazza, he's been messaging me for a bit, and today he was like, oh, I might have a drive and meet you. And yeah, just met him. He's a biker and likes doing similar things, been watching my stuff. So yeah, cool. And my phone is working again, it's plugged in, it's charging, so happy days. There we go. Yeah. How cool. So this is Amberley. Check it out, Laura and Hardy. He was born in the town that I live. Well, I've moved now, but I used to live there. Right, let's see what we've got. We've got loads of food, but I might keep all my food in its wrapper sealed and I might just go to a cafe. That looks like a cafe. I know. Burger and salad. I'm having it. Bloody hell, I needed that. Yeah, it was very nice. Where I'm going. Definitely turn right. Cars Road. Carter's Road. That's all for Carter's Road. Anyway, yeah, great burger, great salad, 2 cans of pop. Full, happy days, keep going. I always get lost on the first bit. I'm alright now, found the road now. So that was the hotel to Amberley, 47 kilometres. And I've had a burger, I'm full. It's about 1:30. I'm heading to Christchurch. It's a pretty big place, Amberley. What you saw there of that little restaurant, go around the corner, there's tons of shops and all sorts of stuff. Yay! You're not lost, Gus. You're not lost at all. You knew exactly where you were going. Anyway, always a good thing to see one of those signs. For a minute, I thought I couldn't go down here, but I can. I like that. I was just thinking, where have I gone wrong riding down that nice bit? But I haven't gone wrong. Keep going. So this is a riverbed now, supposedly. It can be high, so there is an alternate route if the riverbed's high. But for the moment, not too bad, he says. Right, that's it, I want one of them. I'm riding down the riverbed like a bloody bongo. Nice little path alongside it. I didn't know that was there, did I? Anyway, I do now. Could I just ask you a question? Right, these people have now informed me, thank you very much, I am going the wrong way. Yep. And I just rode down that lovely little path, it was very nice, for 2k the wrong way, so I'm going back. We might as well have a little bit of a sea shot while we're here, seeing as I've gone the wrong bloody way. Nice truck. Right, I'm back on track. All I did, that gravel road behind me there, instead of coming down that gravel road, I turned left onto the cycle track and headed to the beach. I just wanted to go to the beach, didn't I? Leaffield Road. Just a little bit confusing, that bit for me, but it doesn't take much. I'm heading down there now. We've made it to Rangiora. That's another page out of the book. 27 kilometres from the last place. Nice little town. I'm a bit pooped. I am a bit pooped. Amberley to Rangiora is 28 kilometres. Yeah, felt like it on the road. The Hurunui village to Amberley was 66. So there's 86, 94 kilometres. Oh well, I've got every right to be, haven't I suppose? Right. There's 11 kilometres now to... How'd you bloody say that? Kaiapoi. It's not that, is it? And then that's your... Oh no, there's another 19 kilometres to Christchurch. So that's 11 and 19. That's another 30k to Christchurch. Don't know where Andy lives, but I was thinking of trying to ride to Andy's house tonight. It's 10 to 5. I've got nothing else to do, but I'm now just getting myself some hot apple pie and a drink. You have to do it. It's like I'm working hard. Anyway, I'll get in touch with Andy, find out where he lives, and oh, that's so good. And see what I'm going to do tonight. Thank you very much. Cheers. Oh, it's so good. So you ride your bike for 100 kilometres, apple pie, piece of cake. It's not a piece of cake, it's a pie. I'm on my second pop now. I could just go to sleep here now. Anyway, all going good. You can't cross these countries without going through some just average bits. And the last 100k really has just been roady average bits. But it's going to be. So, the really nice, beautiful scenery will be in other places. It'll come back. So, at least you get apple pie and pop on tap. There's none of that in the bloody Molesworth, is there? There wasn't even a freaking picnic bench. Well, there was. One thing, New Zealand, very good bike tracks to get you in and out of cities. Auckland was the same when I was there last year, and yeah, look, just bloody brilliant. Quick, smooth, signposted well, and beats being on the road. That's a far cry from where we've been, isn't it? Hello. It's pretty cool, isn't it? Mate. Well, it's 20 past 7, 5 minutes away from Andrew's house. Probably done 125k a day, which is a good old day for an old dog like me. So let's go and surprise Andrew, because he doesn't really know I'm coming just yet. And hello, how are you? Nice to meet you.
Yeah, good travels.
Thank you. That was nice. That guy's just walking his dog. I'm coming up to Andrew's house and he's a biker and he's watching my trip. How cool is that? Right, I've got to figure out which one of these is Andrew's house. I'm not in the right street, obviously.
What the bloody hell are you doing here? What's all this?
Hello! Can I come and stay for the next 6 months?
No, we're full. Bugger off.
Good to see you, Andy.
You got here bloody quick.
I don't know. So this is my good friend Andrew Lawrence.
Hello, how are you doing?
Andrew used to work for me in England a long time ago, and now he's got a lot wiser and come to New Zealand.
and you keep coming to visit me.
Yeah,
You're going to move here next, aren't
well, I doubt it, but anyway, it's good to see you, Andy.
And you?
And he's promised me a bed for them. Well, actually, his in-laws are here, so I might not get a bed.